Dancing is in the Kasi blood.
Yes, kun, yes.
Are you good?
Yes.
Kendrang.
Yeah, ladep, come. Like a Kasi masi, like a shotgun or something. Tak. Arnut kisnas niyang.
Two women.
Depdong.
Sashet bam ya.
My goodness, shit.
Shit.
Oh,
Bam.
interesting. I cannot do this. Ladep pam. Ladep pam. So you can say, kum no pilong, it's how are you? And then you can answer, my goodness, look at this. Welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna work with the rice. I'm here very high, sitting in the Bolero's roof. Hello. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine?
Yes.
This is rice or what? Rice?
Grass of rice.
Grass of rice. Yeah. So this, what are you gonna do with this one? You feed the cow?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what I was thinking, that this is cow food only. Dry grass, that's the right name, and this how they pack it. You can store that one for 1 year also. So that's pretty good.
Green grass is only for 1-2 days. No?
Yeah, green grass is 1-2 days, but this one, it lasts more. How are you guys?
Fine.
What are you up to? What are you doing? You're just hanging out. School? Finish school?
Just finished.
How is the exam?
Very good.
Very good. That sounds good. If it's very good. Like this one, you pack the Bolero like this in my country, you will get the ticket immediately, and I think the police will drive you like who the heck are you thinking? You drive here like that, nah? But we are here in India. What a views! What a views here from here. Hello. Yes, the line. Yes. Need to take care. It's because it's very dangerous. Okay, thank you guys very much. Guys, we have arrived. Oikong. Kum no pilong. Klein means good in Kasi. So you can say kum no pilong, it's how are you? And then you can answer Klein, good. Shano here. Yes. This is how they do. Very nice, manually cutting. Very strong Kasi women. Here in Meghalaya, Riphoi district. See if I can find the process, because they are waving and smashing the rice. I would also like to smash it, and I want to also cut it. How it feels to cut real rice. Because in my country, we go just in a market and we buy 1 kilo box and there is rice. Jasmine rice or balsamic rice or what? Basmati rice, not balsamic rice. My goodness. Balsamic rice. And then we just boil it and eat it like that. But here it's, like I say, it's organic. It's natural. It's natural. Kasi women is also very hard workers. Very hard workers. Yeah. Yes, very hard worker. Highly appreciated. Kasi woman is very strong. And nice people also. Kasi tribe. Kong, bye. Thank you. Toto. Let's go and see if we can find. Oh, there is also a nursing bus. These people here in the bus, they will take care of you. If you have any problem, they will take care of you, okay? Here is a happy driver. Happy driver is there, and students are there. Hello! How are you, boss? Biang. That's the only thing what I understand from the song. Suki, tari, tira, Suki, slowly. Now we have get to know how the Kasi women work. Let's see how the Kasi guys work. No pilong.
Hi guys.
Hello. Biang. This is how they do. And obviously, like, we never step on the food with the shoes, right? So we respect the food So we take the shoes out. And that's how they do. One by one. Listening some good songs around here and cleaning the rice. This is kasi rice or what rice?
Kasi rice.
Kasi rice.
Kasi rice.
Kasi rice good. Biang. Kasi rice is good now. Yes. Local. Okay, local rice. Local rice. That's what.
I'm finished.
Finish cleaning. Wow. Can I see?
Yes.
This is rice. Rice. Original rice. Natural rice. Wow. Nice. Very good. And then after this, you pack and then you clean again one time. You like open this one, nah? Yes. Need to open this one. Somehow they, I don't know, shake it or something. Put it in some machine and take the cover out. And then after that, I think it's just for bamja. Yes.
Dung bamja.
Dum.
Bamja.
Dum bamja.
Dung bamja.
Dung bamja. No.
Dung sachet bamja.
Sachet bamja. Shit. Like shit. My goodness, shit. Oh,
bamja.
interesting.
Cook.
Shit.
Shed meaning cook.
Meaning cook. Oh, shit. Bamja. Tot. Very nice. And then you can rest here when you have done your job. Nicely. You come here, you can sleep also for a while and then you work again. That's how they do. And then you have they cook food.
What's that?
Rice they cook, whatever they cook, veggies, meats, and then they eat together. Eat also, drink also tea together. This is finished. This is finished.
Finish.
Like this. Okay. Oh yeah. Then they put like that. How many kilos one packet? 40. 40 kilos one packet. It's heavy. Like this.
Con kit just nyang.
Kong just nyang.
Con kit just nyang. Con kit just nyang.
Oh. Whatever that means.
Arnut kit just nyang.
Arnut.
Arnut kit just nyang.
Arnut Krishnas nyang.
Two women.
Two women. Okay. That's what it means. What do you have eat today? Dosiar. Chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, you cook here, nah?
Yes.
Put fire. Then also this is called palm leaf, isn't it? Palm leaf, nah? Strong. You get.
You eat na. Eat it. With it not na.
Yeah. Bitter nut I won't eat. Only leaf.
Eat together this.
Only leaf.
Test.
The leaf is.
Give you. Give.
Okay.
Take.
Okay, Toto. It's very hard.
Yeah.
Need to. You just chew it, nah?
Yeah.
Chew it and spit also. And then you get a little bit red tooth also from this. Oh! With all the love and respect, but tasty, yeah. It comes red, no?
Yeah.
Red tooth.
It's like called kwai.
Kwai, yeah, kwai. I call it kasi cold. Kasi cold because it's very, yes, because it's very traditional. Oh my goodness. Yeah, here. Ma.
Smoke.
No
No.
smoking.
Oh.
Kublai Shibun. My goodness, it's very different this thing. Also your mouth also gets a little bit numb. I cannot do this. This needs actually a little bit skill to eat this thing, because for me it's all on my mouth. I don't know about others how people eat, but you know, guys, something very interesting and very important to know. Without them, you don't have rice in your home. So highly appreciate for those people, huh? Hard workers. Thank you very much. Kuplay shibun.
Thank you.
Kuplay shibun. Kuplay shibun. Nah. Yes, yes, yes. My lips are a little bit red. Nah. Quiet. Nah.
Why?
Oh no no, I finish. Ladep.
Ada bam.
Ladep bum. Ladep bum. Should have some water.
Smoke do.
Duma.
Duma. Oh.
Duma
You
good.
very water nahi. Do Duma.
Oh.
Duma. Smoke.
Duma good. Good.
Good.
Oh no, I don't smoke.
Oh.
No smoking. Thank you, Kuplay shibun.
Why?
Quiet, fit ladep. Ladep, quiet. Here is a young shepherd. Brr. Brr. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, man.
Good.
Yeah, good. Then come here.
Today cannot finish.
Yeah.
Take time, na.
Yeah.
Yesterday you have done, no?
Yes.
In the field, no?
Yes, in Palm Sim.
Yes,
Yes.
I see.
Yeah. You like?
Yeah, I like.
Yes, you're from Shillong, na.
Yeah, I'm from Ceylon.
Good.
Này ọt cũng đi.
Like that. Oh, and then you put it like this. Then you dry.
Yeah.
How long? How long time you dry?
Only 2 to 3 days like that.
Okay, 2 to 3 days.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that,
And then after, then you start to smash it like this. Yes. So you take from here,
Bây ọt được tí.
like this,
yes, like this.
like this, and here. My goodness, look
Oh,
at
nghe.
this.
Nó
It's very deep. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Dry.
This is a hard job.
Yeah.
This is a hard job, more.
Drop hard.
And this one need to be very sharp. Need to be very sharp. Kum tu.
Cùng tu viếng.
Kum tu.
Cùng tu viếng.
To biang. Look at my.
Này mò.
Kum ne. Okay, to. Oh. This is how it is. I'm already muddy. Nice work.
Take a rest.
Duma, oh yeah, Duma, quiet na.
Take a rest.
Yeah. Already I ladep quiet. But no smoking na. I don't smoke. Yes, no smoke.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Sumarpa Chalong.
Lajong.
Sumarpa Lajong. Okay, to Sumarpa Lajong. You need to carry on your life. That's what. What a beautiful word. Okay, to bye na. Bye. My goodness, look at guys what I found. Then resting. Yes, I will come more. Very happy. That's very good. This is how you smash the rice. What a machine. This is like a kashi machine, like a shotgun or something. Tak. Wow, how beautiful. Strong Kasi man is working on the rice field.
You come to try it.
Yes. Definitely I try.
Yeah.
Ladep Amcha. Ladep. No.
Ong dang sen.
On dang set.
Dang sen. Mentah.
Okay, what it means?
Mean we put in the
Okay.
Cooking now.
Cooking now.
Yes.
So you eat later.
Yeah.
Okay. Here is the cooking part. How are you? Biang. Okay, so what are you cooking? Rice. Rice or what? Rice, okay. Chicken also? Wow, wow. Chicken is good. Oh, hey, can you show me what you cook? Is this a Kasi way of cooking?
Local.
This is local. This is called, let me see. This is
Look this.
good. If there is no rice, there is no food. Oi,
Kalau pila yung kun.
kun. Yes, kun. Kun, yes.
Ayo kun.
Yes. Yeah, Ladep, come. Yes. So they invited me to try this one. How to do? Where to do? How to do? You will show me? Okay. Show me.
You can try this.
Yes. Okay, yes. How I do? I just mash it like here.
Yeah.
Just mash it here. Also knows how to dance. The dancing is in the Kasi blood.
Dance
You know what I'm
and
talking
walking.
about. Yeah. So just like this, more. Yes. Very good. And this is pure Kasi rice. Very good rice.